Hey guys, so I need to get into my conference, but I forgot to tell you on the first video about this crazy thing that happened yesterday. So I partner with a lot of, dealerships and mortgage places and, real estate places. And I was visiting one of them talking about, a couple of the new clients that they had sent over to me. And this lady got arrested, okay, straight up arrested at the dealership. The cops came because the finance guy called the cops because when he not skip traced, but ran her number or whatever, her social security number, it turned out to be a CPN, and it turned out to be attached to, someone under the age of 18 or something. And it was like super, super crazy, guys. These CPNs are so, so dangerous, and you guys need to listen to me. Listen to me, okay? You need to leave the CPNs alone. Leave them alone, okay? Fix your credit. Fix your credit. You never know when you're going to get totally and completely screwed using your CPN. You don't know if they're, already doing an investigation against you, or if, they're going to close your cards and whatever. If they're going to repossess your car, whatever the hell you bought, whatever. So you need to understand that CPNs are not legal to use. Every single time you put your CPN in the box where it says, "What is your social security number?" it's a felony, okay? And you are the one that gets in trouble. So you need to completely and totally stay away from these CPNs, or sometimes also called SENs. But I wanted to tell you guys about that because it was like happening like right in front of me, and I was just like, oh, that bitch is using a CPN. Oh my God. Okay. So anyways, I'm going into my conference to teach these people about credit and whatnot. So I will see you guys later.